Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And I'll be honest, I thought for today I was going to be coming back and talking about a breakout and all that, because when I did check in on the chart earlier on in the day, it was, during this portion of it where the price had broken through this red line, and things were looking very good. But now pulling it back up here, just bulls didn't quite have any sort of strength. Now, I don't say that in a negative light, because from the big picture of things, I mean, the consolidation period is still way up here. The last consolidation period was down there. It's not to insult anybody's intelligence, but obviously this consolidation period is higher than that one, and that's the name of the game. As long as bases are being formed at higher levels, then, again, big picture being the keyword there, then everything's perfectly fine. But so not really any updates in regards to this video, more so just confirmation, and the big confirmation point right here, right around $2.22. Yes, it was broken temporarily, but the price could never maintain above it. So 222 is definitely being a thorn in the side of the charts. Same thing kind of happened over here. Sure, the price broke above it temporarily, but could never maintain above it and fell back below it. And then right here, it was just flat out rejected from it. So by no means am I saying 222 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that, according to the recent past history of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game in order to push through it. In regards to levels of support, the one little nitpick here that I have is the price is now down below this purple line, which hasn't happened for a while. So does that make the chart lose a little bit of its attractiveness? Yeah, it's lost some attractiveness, but there's a huge difference between being totally ruined and losing a little bit of its attractiveness. I mean, all the bulls got to do is get back up above that purple line, and then that puts things, right back on track. And it's not like the price closed all the way down here or something, and it's severely, far below that purple line. It's still well within the range of it. So that's why I just call it a little nitpick there. So, but sooner the price can get back above that purple line, then in my mind, the bulls are back in total full control. But being that the price has now slipped below it, you can't quite say that the bulls are totally owning the day, because the bears have made a little bit of progress. But again, the bulls not that far below it. If they get back up above it, then that's setting everything back on track. I do want to add in just one more little kind of shorter term area of support, which is right here at about the $1.85 mark. You can see recently a couple of times, both there and there, the price has held strong whenever the price got around it. I'm not saying the price will head back down there, but that'll definitely be the initial area of support before you start focusing on the level down here around $1.60. All in all, kind of a boring second half to the week. Not saying that in a negative light, just sideways action. So we'll see if the bulls can start to wake back up next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.